how to freeze yogurt easily in this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Using cookie or ice cream scoops. Simply scoop the yogurt into a freezer-safe bag, then put it in the freezer until solid or firm. Using an ice cube tray. Fill an ice cube tray with yogurt depending on your desired amount, then let it cool until firm or solid in the freezer. For a fun way to freeze yogurt, you can also create homemade popsicles. Simply fill half of the molds with fruit puree, then top it off with the yogurt. Cover and freeze until solid. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.